Three important reasons why we tend to eat unhealthy foods too often. Number one, they're engineered for addiction. Ultra-processed foods, think chocolates, chips, sodas, and fast foods are loaded with salt, sugars, and fats in bliss point ratios ready to hijack our brain's dopamine reward system. Studies of the National Institute of Health show how they light up the pleasure centers in the brain, like drugs, 2 to 3 times more than for whole foods. We tend to overeat more than 500 calories daily. Number two, convenience trumps everything. In our fast-paced world, grab and go junk food is everywhere. Just think, apps, drive-thrus, vending machines, just go to the supermarket. While preparing our healthier meals takes time. In a Lancet review, this was linked to food environment design, where 60% of US calories came from ultra-processed sources due to accessibility and not willpower. Number three, marketing and habits override logic. Billions in ads brainwash us from childhood, associating junk food with happiness. Pair that with stress eating, because we know cortisol spikes cravings, and habitual snacking, and unhealthy choices becomes autopilot, forming neural pathways that resist change. Today we're doing a Russian twist. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have a good day. See you.